Meaning of fest.
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 Fest. Fest is a suffix commonly used in English to indicate a festival or celebration of a particular thing or theme. When a word is suffixed with fest, it typically implies a gathering or event that is centered around the concept conveyed by the root word. For example, Oktoberfest is a festival celebrating beer in German culture, while Artfest is an event focused on showcasing various works of art. Overall, adding fest to a word creates an atmosphere of fun and excitement, often bringing people together to enjoy a shared interest or theme.